In this video we're going to take a look at published calendars. With published calendars you can show on your website the state and availability of services and facilities such as a SAND school or your lessons. To begin with, we need to go to admin and set it up. So we go to admin and go down to configure public calendars. As you can see, we currently have none, so all we need to do is click new. Give it a name, so we're going to call this one website, and then select the services and facilities we want to show on the public calendar. So for example, we're going to choose lesson and SAND school. We click submit and you can see it's now created. Now we have two options at this point. We have the public link and also the embeddable iframe code. Both of these we'll use later, but for now let's have a quick look at what's included on the public calendar. When we click on this, you can see you get a very simple but very visible view into what's available. You can see how many bookings there are at what time, and how many lessons take place. If there's more than one, it will show the duplicate in the same time slot. As you can see here, it doesn't show individual users' names or information, and so you can show it publicly. However, you do need to consider what you include and where you put it. Our first example is going to be with Squarespace. Our first task is to copy the embed code. All we need to do is highlight it with Ctrl-A and copy it with Ctrl-C. We'll then jump over to Squarespace, where I've already created a blank page for this example. We'll click on the arrow and locate by typing in the search box code. Click on code and we'll be presented with this box. In here, all we need to do is now paste that embed code and click apply. As you can see, that's now in, and we can click save, or you can add additional content around it if you wish. Our second example is in WordPress. Like in Squarespace, we'll start by copying the embed code and then going over to WordPress. As you can see, I've created a new page for this example. Let's give it a title. And then we need to create a new block. We're using the new block style editor WordPress offers, but the same thing can be done using the traditional method. Click on Add Block, and in the search section, click HTML, click Custom HTML, and then just paste in this block. Once you're ready, click Publish, and we're ready to go. If we click on View Page, you can see our calendar is available to see. And that's all there is to it. In this video we've shown how to set up a public calendar and subsequently how to embed it in either Squarespace or WordPress. Note it's not just restricted to these two platforms, and if you need help setting up on any other website, please get in contact and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.